In today's world, many people are diagnosed with high levels of uric acid in their bodies. And naturally, one of the first questions that comes to mind is, how can I lower my uric acid levels? Let's break it down. What is uric acid? Uric acid is a byproduct of digestion. Normally, your kidneys filter it out. But when the body can't eliminate enough of it, uric acid builds up in your bloodstream. Left untreated, high levels can lead to gout, arthritis, joint and bone damage, high blood pressure, fatty liver disease. The good news, lifestyle changes and the right foods can help significantly. Before making any dietary changes, always consult your doctor or primary care provider. Top foods that help lower uric acid. 1. Cherries. A vibrant bowl of fresh cherries on a wooden kitchen table with an infographic overlay showing the reduction of uric acid levels in the body, including chemical structures of uric acid and anthocyanic. A person eating cherries joyfully, with a transparent anatomical diagram showing kidneys and joints, illustrating reduced inflammation and uric acid levels in the body. Close-up of ripe cherries with glowing markers highlighting their antioxidants, surrounded by floating molecular graphics representing gout, relief, and uric acid breakdown. A comparison image showing 2 feet, one swollen with gout and uric acid crystals, and the other healthy and normal, with cherries and health icons in the background indicating natural remedy effects. A clean, modern medical infographic featuring a cherry tree branch, a glass of cherry juice, and scientific charts showing decreased uric acid levels and improved joint health. 2 apples. A crisp red apple sliced open on a white plate, surrounded by glowing icons representing fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants, with a chart in the background showing uric acid levels dropping. A person drinking fresh apple juice while holding their foot with a relieved expression, with a visual cutaway of the body showing uric acid being flushed from the kidneys. An apple orchard under clear skies, with overlay graphics of healthy joints, kidneys, and uric acid molecules dissolving, symbolizing natural detox and gout prevention. Side-by-side illustration, one side showing a body affected by high uric acid and gout pain, the other side showing a healthy body with apples, kidneys, and hydration symbols improving wellness. A medical-style infographic with an apple at the center, surrounded by labeled health benefits like alkaline effect, natural detox, and low purine, with arrows pointing to lowered uric acid levels. 3. Olive oil. A glass bottle of extra virgin olive oil, pouring onto a salad, with floating icons representing anti-inflammatory compounds and antioxidants, alongside a chart showing decreased uric acid levels. A healthy Mediterranean meal with olive oil drizzled on vegetables and fish, surrounded by glowing symbols for heart health, joint relief, and reduced uric acid crystals. An artistic cutaway of the human body with joints and kidneys highlighted, and olive oil molecules flowing through, symbolizing reduced inflammation and uric acid detox. Side-by-side illustration, one side shows unhealthy cooking oils increasing uric acid and gout pain. The other side shows olive oil promoting healthy joints and lowering uric acid markers. A medical infographic with an olive branch, a spoon of olive oil, and a uric acid molecule breaking down, surrounded by health claims like rich in oleic acid, anti-inflammatory, and gout relief. 4. Avocados. A halved avocado with its seed exposed on a wooden table, surrounded by icons representing healthy fats, fiber, and potassium, with an infographic showing uric acid levels decreasing in the body. A person enjoying avocado toast, with a transparent overlay showing improved kidney function and joints, symbolizing reduced inflammation and uric acid buildup. A clean, modern layout of avocado slices arranged like a pie chart, illustrating nutritional benefits such as anti-inflammatory, alkaline-forming, and low purine, all connected to lower uric acid. 2 human feet, one showing redness and swelling from gout, the other healthy and pain-free, with avocados and arrows pointing to reduced uric acid levels and joint relief. A medical-style infographic featuring an avocado, gout-affected joints, kidneys, and a biochemical pathway illustrating how monounsaturated fats and antioxidants from avocados support uric acid reduction. 5. Fiber-rich foods. A colorful spread of fiber-rich foods like oats, lentils, apples, broccoli, and whole grains on a kitchen counter, with floating text labels showing binds, uric acid supports kidney health. An anti-inflammatory effect, a close-up of a digestive system diagram overlaid on a person eating a high-fiber meal, with arrows showing fiber, absorbing and flushing out uric acid through the intestines. A split-screen image, one side showing a diet low in fiber with high uric acid and joint pain, the other side showing a vibrant plate of fiber-rich foods and a healthy, inflammation-free body. An educational infographic with icons of fiber sources like beans, berries, and whole grains, surrounding a central image of uric acid crystals being neutralized and excreted from the body. A basket of fresh fruits, vegetables, and legumes labeled high fiber, placed next to a medical chart showing decreased uric acid levels, improved kidney function, and reduced risk of gout. 6. Bananas, a peeled banana placed beside a glowing kidney illustration, with arrows showing potassium aiding in flushing out excess uric acid and reducing crystal buildup in joints. A vibrant breakfast scene featuring a bowl of oatmeal topped with banana slices, overlaid with health icons showing alkaline effect, low purine, and uric acid reduction. An infographic-style image featuring a banana at the center, surrounded by labeled benefits like rich in vitamin C, alkalizing and promotes uric acid excretion with molecular visuals. A person eating a banana post with a semi-transparent overlay of the body showing kidneys, joints, and bloodstream, highlighting banana's role in balancing pH and reducing uric acid buildup. 7. Black coffee, a steaming cup of black coffee on a wooden table at sunrise, with molecular graphics of antioxidants and chlorogenic acid rising in the steam, and a chart in the background showing declining uric acid levels. A medical infographic with a cup of black coffee at the center, surrounded by labeled benefits like increases uric acid excretion, rich in antioxidants, and supports kidney function. A split image on the left, a person suffering from gout with uric acid crystals highlighted in joints. On the right, the same person sipping black coffee with arrows showing detox and uric acid reduction. An elegant flat lay of black coffee beans, a cup of brewed black coffee, and kidneys illustrated beside them, with health icons representing improved metabolism and decreased uric acid. A scientific illustration showing the effects of black coffee in the body, caffeine stimulating kidney filtration, antioxidants reducing inflammation, and uric acid molecules being flushed out. 8. Cucumbers, a fresh cucumber sliced on a cutting board with water droplets glistening, surrounded by icons for hydration, alkalinity, and uric acid removal, with a kidney illustration in the background. A person drinking water on a sunny day, with a transparent overlay showing improved kidney function and arrows flushing uric acid from the body. A medical-style infographic featuring whole and sliced cucumbers at the center, with labeled benefits like alkaline-forming, high water content, and supports uric acid detox. A side-by-side comparison on the left, an inflamed foot showing gout and uric acid buildup. On the right, the same foot pain-free with a refreshing cucumber salad and hydration graphics. An overhead shot of a detox smoothie made with cucumber, lemon, and mint, surrounded by chemical symbols and molecular icons showing reduction of uric acid and inflammation. 9. Berries, a vibrant bowl of mixed berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries on a clean white table, with glowing molecular icons for antioxidants and anthocyanins fighting uric acid buildup. An infographic with various berries encircling a human joint diagram, with arrows showing inflammation reduction and uric acid crystals dissolving due to antioxidant-rich compounds. A person enjoying a berry smoothie with a transparent overlay of kidneys and joints, illustrating berries aiding in uric acid removal and reducing gout symptoms. A split-screen image, one side shows unhealthy foods leading to high uric acid and inflamed joints. The other side shows berries with benefits like anti-inflammatory, low purine, and supports detox. Close-up of fresh berries on a leafy background with labeled benefits such as rich in vitamin C, flavonoid power, and natural uric acid reducer next to a health chart showing improved uric acid levels. 10. Nuts and seeds, a wooden bowl filled with almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds, with floating health icons showing low purine, omega-3s fatty acids, and anti-inflammatory effect, alongside a visual of lowering uric acid levels. A person sprinkling seeds over a salad and snacking on nuts, with a transparent body overlay showing joint relief, improved kidney function, and uric acid being flushed from the system. An educational infographic featuring various nuts and seeds arranged in a circle around a healthy kidney and joint illustration, with labels like plant-based protein, rich in magnesium, and supports uric acid control. Split-screen comparison. One side shows inflammation and uric acid buildup from red meat. The other side shows relief and balance from consuming a diet rich in nuts and seeds. A close-up of flax seeds, chia seeds, and cashews on a rustic background with glowing lines connecting them to benefits like alkaline-forming, healthy fats, and natural uric acid reduction. 11. Water, a clear glass of water with fresh droplets on the outside, surrounded by arrows illustrating how hydration helps flush uric acid from kidneys and joints. Set against a clean, medical-style background, a person drinking water with a semi-transparent overlay, showing kidneys and bloodstream actively filtering and removing uric acid crystals from the body. An infographic featuring a water droplet at the center, with surrounding icons representing uric acid molecules being diluted and flushed out, alongside benefits like improves kidney function and reduces gout risk. A time-lapse style image showing a day's hydration with multiple water glasses, each linked to progressively lowering uric acid levels and reduced joint inflammation. A natural spring water source flowing into a glass, combined with a simplified diagram of the urinary system, highlighting enhanced uric acid excretion through proper hydration. 12. Low-fat dairy. A split image showing high dairy foods, like cheese and whole milk on one side with uric acid crystals and inflammation icons, contrasted with low-dairy alternatives like almond milk and plant-based yogurt on the other side with reduced uric acid visuals. An infographic highlighting the benefits of reducing dairy intake, featuring symbols for decreased purines, lowered uric acid levels, and healthier joints with a subtle background of dairy products being replaced by fruits and veggies. A person choosing a plant-based milk carton over a dairy carton at a grocery store, with a transparent overlay showing reduced uric acid production and less joint discomfort. A healthy meal plate with minimal dairy, focusing on vegetables, whole grains, and fruits, surrounded by icons indicating low purine, reduced inflammation, and uric acid control. A medical illustration comparing uric acid crystal buildup with high dairy consumption versus a healthier joint environment when dairy is limited, accompanied by text highlighting the uric acid reduction benefits. 13. Green tea. A steaming cup of green tea with fresh tea leaves beside it, surrounded by antioxidant and anti-inflammatory icons, with a chart showing a decrease in uric acid levels over time. A person sipping green tea peacefully, with a transparent overlay showing kidneys and joints benefiting from reduced uric acid and inflammation. An infographic featuring green tea leaves, a teapot, and labeled health benefits like boosts uric acid excretion, rich in polyphenols, and reduces gout symptoms alongside molecular visuals. Side-by-side images showing a foot with gout inflammation and the same foot healed, with green tea elements and arrows indicating uric acid reduction and joint relief. A wellness setup with a green tea cup, fresh lemon slices, and a health chart illustrating green tea's role in lowering uric acid and improving kidney function. 14. Vitamin C-rich foods. A colorful assortment of vitamin C-rich fruits like oranges, kiwis, strawberries, and bell peppers arranged in a vibrant bowl, with glowing icons highlighting boosts uric acid excretion and reduces inflammation. A person enjoying a fresh citrus smoothie with an overlay showing improved kidney function and uric acid molecules being flushed out of the body. An infographic featuring a large vitamin C capsule surrounded by images of vitamin C-rich foods, with arrows illustrating the lowering of uric acid levels and protection of joints. Side-by-side comparison of inflamed joints versus healthy joints with vitamin C-rich foods like guava and broccoli in the foreground, symbolizing reduced gout symptoms. A close-up of cut oranges and red bell peppers on a cutting board, surrounded by molecular visuals showing vitamin C's antioxidant power and uric acid neutralization.